In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Constant Contact. If you've been using Constant Contact for your email marketing campaign, you probably know that adding links is a fantastic way to guide your readers toward external resources, whether it's a website, a social media page, or a landing page. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to insert links seamlessly and effectively. Start by opening the email editor in Constant Contact, where you'll find the main section containing text and images that make up your email. For this demonstration, let's work with a paragraph that needs a hyperlink. First, select the text or image where you wish to insert the link. This is important because the linking tool will apply specifically to this selection. Once you've highlighted the desired text or image, look towards the formatting options at the top of your screen. You should find a block specifically tied to your text or image. Click on this block to ensure it's selected and ready for modification. Next, look for the link icon, which often resembles a small chain link. Clicking this icon will open up options related to linking and connecting your content externally. A menu will present these options, inviting you to choose the destination of your link. Since we want to direct readers to a page, select the option that best corresponds to your target location. Whether it's an external web page, a file upload, or a specific landing page within your marketing setup, this step is crucial for guiding your subscribers effectively. With the link destination chosen, an Insert Link box will appear. This is where the magic happens. Type in or paste the URL into the box. Be sure you have copied the link correctly from your browser or source to avoid any broken links. This simple task is really critical to ensure your readers are directed exactly where you want them to go. Once you've entered the URL, take a moment to review it, ensuring its accuracy. Then, simply click Insert. This will embed the link directly into the highlighted text or image, transforming it into a clickable element within your email. And that's how you do it. By following these steps, you'll make your emails interactive and drive engagement among your audience, seamlessly connecting them to the wider web. Linking isn't just about redirecting traffic. It's about crafting a narrative within your emails that guides, helps, and informs your readers. Happy emailing! And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the marketing world.